What's up guys? Welcome to one of the most exciting episodes of us tripping, because today we are visiting a street food market. So we'll try all amazing Balinese street food. It's our special guest.
Well, let's see what happens.
Do you like spicy food?
No, but we're gonna do it.
Let's go. The sun is setting, it's beautiful Saturday afternoon and you are really hungry. If you like food, subscribe, like and comment. And by the way, thank you so much for commenting on our last YouTube video, because thanks to this info we found this market. With John.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a very small word by the way.
I like meat. I didn't know them before, but we actually work at basically the same place. All the meat. Follow me, Coach John Miller. Look at it in the description below. Give me a follow, like my content.
Is it like peanut butter?
Yeah.
Yes.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, of course.
Really good peanut flavor.
Yeah.
It's peanut. No spice.
No spice. Not spicy at all. It's good, right?
This sauce is amazing. But it's really delicious. It's really nice. So now we have to sit somewhere and ask them if they can prepare for us like dishes.
You know it's right when we moving in. I got my crucifix. God always working. You see the sign like the Eucharist. I know that knowing God is truly life, so I'm choosing it. Try to get you.
We ordered some food. Vegetarian Mei Goreng, vegetarian Bakso. It's like a soup with vegetables and I think tofu. Let's see. Then we got Ayam Goreng. But it is a bit spicy, right? Like this is unreal.
That's good. That's tender. And it does have spice. Burning everywhere.
But nice. This is my vibe. Baby food. Okay, I don't know
Veggie
what's
ball.
the white thing. It's like a dough. It looks like tofu. You have to try it. It's like a sponge.
Interesting texture.
What texture is it?
To clean the dishes. My vibe. I like it. I really like it.
So if you're watching this and you know exactly what that is, just let us know.
Yeah, please let us know in the comments. Oh, we still got this one.
This is Puyung Han. I have absolutely no idea what's this.
Like hash brown, yeah.
Something like that. Doesn't look inviting or sophisticated, that's for sure, but it's really nice. Okay, time to clean hands.
Let's just take a ride along the bay. We don't need to work, we can sit around and play. I've been waiting for so long to get away.
There is one very weird thing they are eating here. It's like mozzarella cheese.
This is mozzarella covered in French fries that will go into the deep fryer yet again.
Sweet mozzarella cheese, sweet with additional cheese on top. Like, I've never tried it before, but you know, this is how you taste and smell the country by their food.
I'm ready to process it. I'm awesome.
Now I understand. It's a donut, crispy donut with cheese inside.
The 10.
Oh my god, there's a sausage
Oh
inside.
no, I can't have that. No. No, that's ruined.
Okay, this was really unexpected, guys. Something which looked so horrible turns out to be so delicious. And please don't forget, Comment below, give us some advices, what else and where in Bali we can try. Am I dirty? Okay, I am dirty. Like, subscribe.